Can I interest you in one of my creations, young lady? How about this nice frog?
I'm sorry, I don't have any cash on me.
Okay. Today is a beautiful day, right?
I guess.
Describe it to me.
What?
Describe it to me. And this piece of art is yours.
Okay. There's some yellow flowers blooming on it.
Forsythia.
Yeah. And some purple ones, too.
Hyacinth.
You really like flowers, huh?
Oh, yeah. What's going on across the street?
It's just an ordinary day in New York City, you know? People rushing back and forth, cars driving, everybody's got somewhere to go, somewhere to be. Nobody really cares about nothing. It's like a huge living clock. Never stops.
Oh, I wish I could see that. Thank you. And you keep it real. I got my eye on you.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.